What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the latest updates of the 70 challenge and Freedom Accelerator. So these are the products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer. This is my affiliate dashboard for the 70 challenge. This company pays 40% commissions, and let me show you, this is my affiliate dashboard for Funnel Freedom. I have right now $38 in unpaid earnings. So recently, Jonathan Montoya has updated and hard coded the two systems. So what does that mean? Let me show you. So this is my affiliate link for the 73rd challenge. And one of the coolest things that Jonathan Montoya has done is that when someone opting in their information in this page, this is my affiliate link for the 73rd challenge. When someone click on this button and write their information, that same data, the name and their email, is going to be hard coded not only here where it says referrals for the 73rd challenge, but also as well for Funnel Freedom. So I'm going to have the same data inside of my affiliate dashboard for Funnel Freedom. And this is really cool because that means when someone's go through the lessons of the 73rd challenge, so check this out, day number 1 and day number 2. So on day number 2, in which Jonathan Montoya explains how to use his own software, which is Funnel Freedom. So if someone buys the 73rd challenge from me, and if that person go here, get your Funnel Freedom trial, that person will be hard coded to my affiliate dashboard, and it's really cool. And this works as well if someone goes, for example, to the Funnel Freedom opt-in page. Let me show you. I'm going to open this page. So this system works like the two ways. If someone put their information inside of the 73rd challenge opt-in page, it will be hard coded as well on my Funnel Freedom affiliate dashboard. And as well, if someone goes here where it says get the 14-day free trial, and when they click here and they write their information, and if they write their full name, their email, and click to continue, if they want to get access to the Funnel Freedom software, that same data is going to go exactly here where it says referral for the 73rd challenge. This is a really cool way to promote products, because by doing this change, Jonathan Montoya is helping his affiliates to promote the 73rd challenge, which is a low ticket product. Let me show you. This is the training, day number 1, day number 2. And if people want to get access to day number 3, they need to book a call with a business advisor. So he can unlock day number 3, which is traffic methods for fast results. And then if people want to upgrade and wants to get access to the Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket program, they can have access as well. And so I'm promoting the 73rd challenge, and if someone buys the Funnel Freedom, I'm going to get that commission as well. And if that same person upgrades his account to the Freedom Accelerator training, I can get that commission too, which is really cool, because by promoting only one affiliate link, I can promote whatever link I want. I can promote this affiliate link, the 7-day challenge, or I can promote this link, the Funnel Freedom. I can get the low ticket commission, the high ticket, and the monthly recurring commissions, because all these systems are combined together, which is really cool. And as well, if you want to promote, for example, multiple products, you can use this software, which is Funnel Freedom. Let me show you the magic of the software. So this is an all-in-one marketing platform. I have here, so I have connected my Instagram account, and I have here my contacts, the opportunities, as well the conversations, and I can chat with my for example, if someone DM me on my Instagram, I can chat to those people using this software. So check this out. One of the coolest things that we can promote with Funnel Freedom is that we can promote the 72-hour challenge, we can promote Freedom Accelerator. Let me show you Legendary Marketer, Secret of Success, System.io. So if I scroll down, we can promote Get Response, Udemy, InVideo, and this is a really cool way as well to promote multiple affiliate products, because that is what I'm doing, guys. So I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, and with the latest change that Jonathan Montoya has done to help his affiliates, is going to be super powerful, because we just need to promote one of these affiliate links, whether it could be the 72-hour challenge or this link, which is my Funnel Freedom affiliate link. And if the person buys the 72-hour challenge through this link, the Funnel Freedom, I can get that commission, that low ticket commission, and as well the high ticket commission if that person buys the high ticket product. Now, my mainly source of traffic is YouTube, guys. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating content on my YouTube channel, and check this out. I put here my link of my funnel. So when people go to my channel and click this link, they will go to one of my funnels, because I have many funnels. And if I write, for example, Funnel Freedom review, so I'm creating content about this software. So Jonathan Montoya's Funnel Freedom overview by a real user, how I made commissions in less than 30 days, Funnel Freedom affiliate marketing software. And as you can see, so these videos are helping me to drive customers to my funnels. And once people opting in their information, they will start receiving emails, and inside of the emails they will find my affiliate links. So I like to promote this software because this has a 7 figures done for you system integrated inside of Funnel Freedom. And so basically what I'm doing is that I'm utilizing this funnel. So I'm going to click on sites, and then I'm going to click on this funnel, Freedom Ascension. So a funnel, guys, is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. So basically, if to promote affiliate marketing products, it's important, first of all, collect the information of the prospect. And that is what I'm doing. I'm sending traffic to this page. This is a simple page, and I'm giving away a free course. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, and when they click this button where it says take the free course, I can collect, check this out, it's going to open this pop-up, and I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. And so I have here as well my picture, because I'm building my own personal brand in the affiliate marketing space. And once people opt in their information, they will receive through email this free course. Now, this free course is my lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you need to give in exchange for the email, because people are not going to put their information just because you tell them, hey, write your best information. You need to give something away. So in this case, I'm giving away a free course that they will receive through email. So they will receive this free course in their inbox, and then they will start receiving all of the emails, all of the. So this is called the nurturing sequence. So basically, they will start receiving emails like every single day or every 2 days. And inside of the emails, they will find valuable information. And also, some of the emails are to promote the products that I will show it to you. I will show it to you that are inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. So if I click here, white label course, Freedom Ascension, you're going to see that I have here all these email sequence. For example, in the welcome sequence, I have 70 people enrolled. I have here 65, 33. And if I click, for example, on the first 80-day nurturing sequence, you're going to see that it's going to open the workflow. So basically, the workflow are all the emails that my email list is going to, well, they actually are receiving these emails. So let me show you. This is the first 80-day nurturing sequence. So one of the things to make commissions with affiliate marketing, guys, is that it's important to know that it takes time, and basically when you are starting out, it takes time to start getting these commissions. So check this out. For example, I have 2 people waiting on this step. So these 2 persons are waiting 1 day, and they will receive this email, which is a review for the Legendary Marketer program. Then they're going to wait for 1 day. I have 1 person waiting here, and they will receive my secret quota free traffic method, and so on and so forth. All my email list is going to start receiving all of these emails. And basically, that is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, guys. So I'm not sending traffic to my affiliate links. I'm just sending traffic to that funnel, that opt-in page that I will show it to you. Basically, that is a done for you system, and I'm collecting leads with this funnel. And I have as well, for example, another software, because I have been doing this affiliate marketing things since 2017. So check this out. If I click here, I have, this is my get response account. I have 1080 leads here. This is for Funnel Freedom. This is for a Hotmart product. This is for Freedom Accelerator on TikTok. Then I have my email list for the 70 challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and as you can see, I have here all these lists. And this is really important, guys, because one of the things that I have learned, if we want to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term, is to build our own email list. Because basically what I can do here is that I can click here on email marketing, and then I can send a newsletter or an email to promote any product that I want. For example, check this out. I have, right now, I'm sending this email, and this is to promote a YouTube video from my YouTube channel. So right now, Get a Response is sending this email, and this is like the bar that is telling me the percentage of the completed task of sending this email, which is to promote my YouTube channel. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let them in the comments. And if you want to learn the skills on how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel.